Well, here I go, over to the haul out, leaving West Bay Marina for a minute. A few months will scrape down my bottom and put some new bottom paint, sealer, check my zincs, all that good stuff. Just taking it easy. I'm going to take my sunglasses off because the sun didn't come out as the weatherman said. Yeah, I got a 1 o'clock appointment over there, so I'm in no hurry. Beautiful Puget Sound. This is Bud's Bay here. There's the marina over here. Very nice people mostly. Well, I'm going to raise the speed up a little bit. My outboard's doing well. Just need a little bit more. There we go. A little faster. You don't go but 5 knots max, and I'm so fouled. I haven't been scraped since 2019. So the pandemic really curbed everything down. I couldn't get anybody to schedule a cleaning, and by the time pandemic was over, nobody wanted to take on an old boat that hadn't been scraped in a while. So that's all good. It needs to come out anyways now and get my zincs replaced and everything. Here's some views of Bud's Bay here.